Hello students, today I am going to solve the problem from exercise 6.1. Just I have completed its introduction a day before. Okay, I am going to solve the problem. In this problem, AB and CD intersect at O, and angle AOC plus angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. We have to find out angle BOE and reflex angle COE. First, I would like to draw your kind attention on the given problem. These angles, angle AOC and angle BOE is equal to 70 degree. It means AOC and BOE is 70 degree. It is given. So, angle AOC plus angle COE plus angle BOE is equal to 180 degree due to a straight angle. AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree. It is given. So 70 degree plus angle COE is equal to 180 degree. This implies angle COE is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110 degree. This is the measurement of COE, but we have to find out the reflex angle COE. So reflex angle COE is equal to 360 minus 110. Everyone knows, just I have taught you before, reflex angle is, to find out the reflex angle, we subtract the given angle from 360 degree. This is 250 degree. This is one of the answer, because reflex angle COE is 250 degree. Now we have to find out angle BOE. Now this is BOE, COE and BOD. These three angles lie on one straight line COD. So it is also based on the straight angle, that is angle COE plus angle BOE plus angle BOD is equal to 180 degree. And clearly COE we have find out before, 110 plus BOE. BOE we have to find out angle BOE and plus BOD is already given from your question. This is 40 degree and it is equal to 180 degree. This implies angle BOE is equal to 180 minus 0.51, 150, that is 30 degree. It is the answer of second, that is angle BOE is equal to 30 degree. Okay, just I am going to solve question number 3. Second question is very easy, so you all try to solve the problem, and if the question seems so hard, too hard, then tell me, I will again solve the given problem. This is question number 3, and in this question PQR and PRQ. Just look, see on the blackboard, PQR. This base QR is extended in both the direction at S and at T. Then, and also it is given angle PQR barabar angle PRQ. It is already given, and we have to prove angle PQS barabar angle PRT. First, we know that angle PQR plus angle PQS is equal to 180 degree, and this is only due to linear pair. Just I have taught you before, due to linear pair. And again, angle PRQ plus angle PRT is equal to 180 degree, and this is also due to linear pair. Now, RHS of both 1 and 2 are equal, so LHS must be equal LHS is angle PQR plus angle PQS बराबर angle PRQ plus angle PRT. And now this is given PQR is equal to PRQ. PQR is equal to PRQ. Both are equal. So angle PQS is equal to angle PRT. क्योंकि एंगल PQR बराबर एंगल PRQ. This implies एंगल PQS बराबर एंगल PRT proved. Very easy question. Just you have seen on the blackboard, and this question based on only linear pair axiom, and I have taught you before about the linear pair in the previous classes. Hello student. Now I am going to solve question number 4. It is important question of this exercise 6.1, not 2, 6.1. X plus y is equal to w plus z. According to the figure, it is given that x plus y is equal to w plus z. Then we have to prove AOB is a straight line. To be a straight line, we have to prove that AOB makes 180 degree at O. Then this will be a straight line if we prove that angle AOB is 180 degree. That is, x plus y is equal to w plus z. It is given, and we know x plus y plus w plus z is equal to 360. Now, w plus z plus w plus z is equal to 360. क्योंकि x plus y is equal to w plus z. 2w plus 2z is equal to 360. W plus z is equal to 360. Because 2 is common, so we can take 2. Then it is w plus z is equal to 360 degree. This implies w plus z is equal to 360 divided by 2. And this will be 180 degree. This implies w plus z is equal to 180 degree, and this also implies that it also implies it is a straight line. So AOB is equal to 180 degree, and this is a straight line. 2 questions just you have to solve at your home. 6 questions are there in exercise 6.1 perhaps. 3 questions I have completed, and just as homework you have to solve all the problem given in your book, and if there is any problem then tell me, I will again solve the problem, again solve the question. That's all. Okay. Tell you.